See, this is a cube. This is a cube. Okay, see, it's like a square. All the sides will be of equal length. Okay, so it's made of. Okay, the next one is cuboid. Cuboid. Okay, this is a cuboid. This is a cylinder. Okay, cylinder. This is a sphere. This is a sphere. This is a cone. See? This is a cone. Okay? So, these are the solid shapes you are going to learn. Okay? The shapes square, rectangle, triangle and the circle you learned are 2D shapes. That is, it has only 2 dimensions, length and breadth. These solid shapes are 3D shapes which have 3 dimensions, length, breadth and height. Okay, see, it's solid. The square is all flat shape. This is, it has a solid. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to match the objects with the shapes. Okay, we can see many objects around us. It will match the shapes, any of the shapes. Okay, so we are going to pick some objects and match with the shapes. Okay, now this is, you know, you all use these on your birthdays. It's a birthday cat. Okay, this object resembles what shape? What solid shape? Yes, it resembles a cone. So a birthday cat resembles a cone. Now, what is this? This is a ball. Okay, by looking itself you can see that this shape resembles, this object resembles the shape sphere. Okay, yes? For the same, right? Yes. Okay, now all of you would have seen this. Yes, you will match the colors like this, right? Yes? Okay. This is a perfect cube. This is a perfect cube. This object is a perfect example for the shape cube. Okay? Now, this is a soap. This is an example, or it resembles a what shape? By looking itself you can tell. See? How about the sides? These 2 sides are long. These 2 sides are short. So it will be a rectangle. The cuboid is made of rectangle. So it is resembling a cuboid. Okay. This is a small box. Okay. What shape does it resemble? It resembles a cylinder. It resembles a cylinder. Okay. So now we have matched the objects with their shapes. Now what we are going to do now is we are going to trace the solid shapes and we'll be getting the 2D shapes. When we trace these shapes, you'll be getting the 2D shapes. Okay, we'll see what are the shapes you get while tracing the shape, solid shapes. Okay, okay, I'm taking this and tracing it. What is tracing? You just keep the object on a paper. Okay, you take a paper, you keep the object on the paper. I'm keeping it on the board. You keep it on the paper and just draw the outline. What shape is this? This is a square. When you trace a solid shape, you will get a 2D shape. That's a. So when you trace cube, you will get a square. Okay. Now I'm going to trace a cuboid. So now I'm tracing a soap. Just the outline, okay? Keep it on the paper and draw the outline. Okay? See? It's a rectangle. So when you trace a cuboid, you will get a rectangle. Now I'm going to trace the cylinder. Okay? So I'm keeping the cylinder like this. I'm just making the outline. What shape do you get? Circle. Very good. Okay. Here cone also you can do like this. You can keep and draw. What shape will you get? Obviously, you'll get a, see it's not coming correctly now. Okay, you will get a circle. So, children, you all should have understood the solid shapes and the shape, 2D shape you will get while you trace them. Okay, tracing is very easy. So take a piece of paper and keep the object and draw the outline and check what are the shapes you get. Okay, this activity will be very interesting and I want you all to try these things. Okay, now what we are going to do is, we have seen the shapes. Now we are going to see roll and slide. What is roll? Rolling. Slide means you just slide. Okay, we are going to see which objects in the solid shapes roll and which objects slide. So I am just taking the book and doing the rolling and sliding. Okay. Okay, first I will try with this cube. Okay, just keep it on the book or pad or anything, and what happens is just, what is it doing? Sliding. This is called sliding. So cube will slide, this will slide. Okay, we'll do it with the soap. This is also sliding. This is called sliding action. Okay. Okay, now I'll do with this. This is called rolling action. You know that balls will roll. Okay, now this is a cylinder. It has two sides. See, this surface is also there, this surface is also there. If we keep this surface, it will slide. It will slide. But if I keep it like this, what will happen? It will roll. It will, this is called rolling action. Okay, this is called sliding action. It slides down the hill like that. Okay, it's rolling, this is sliding. So a cylinder will roll and slide. It will do both actions. Okay, cone also same thing. It will slide, it will roll. This also, if you keep like this, it will roll. This part will roll. Why is that? Because see, this is a flat surface. The objects with flat surface will slide. See, these all will slide. But the ball, the sphere will only roll because it is only having curved surface. But the cylinder and the cone has two surfaces. Flat surface, curved surface. Flat surface, curved surface. So it will both roll and slide. These have only flat surface. Can you see? Only flat sides. That means it can only what? Slide. It cannot roll. Okay. So we can write a sphere will roll. A cube will slide. Very good. Slide. Okay, now tell me the answer for cuboid. What will the cuboid do? It will also slide. Very good. Slide. Okay, now cylinder. Imagine two surface, curved and flat. So a cylinder will, yes, roll and slide. Good. Now cone. Cone also same. Flat and curved surface. So the cone also will roll and slide. Good. Good performance, children. Good. So we have seen the solid shapes and the shapes you get while you trace the solid shapes, and which shape will roll and which shape will slide. That also we have seen. Okay. Thank you, children.